Om Swastiastu. Hello, my name is Arif Prayana, number 8. I will presentation about social distancing. Introduction. Background of the study. Coronavirus is a virus that attack the human respiratory system. The government continue to carry out policies and effort to the public to contain the spread of the virus. This includes call for social distancing. What is social distancing? The meaning of this term is the of the prevention and control of coronavirus and infection by maintaining social distancing. This can be done by avoiding direct contact with those around you and limiting visit to crew place. This the country better now as physical distancing. If you must be around safer people, then keep a distance of about 2 meters or 6 feet from the person, especially if the person sneezes or choke. Keep yourself away from the to be on the safe seat. This virus is high contagious. Find the incubation period of the symptoms are still mild. In some people, there are to we have been infected, but do not feel any symptom. Therefore, it is advised to be careful by keeping a distance when meeting other people, especially people outside the home. Physical distancing is an able to increase physical space with other people so that the spread of the disease can be avoided. An example is by counseling or disbanding a fund that attract the attention of many people, so as wedding, festival, and other. Problem statement. 1. Why do we need to keep or distance during this COVID-19 pandemic? 2. How important is social distancing to do? 3. How to apply social distancing properly and correctly. Objective of the study. 1. To provide information the reader about the importance of social distancing. 2. Inform reader about the implementation of good and correct social distancing. Next, theoretical review. Basic theory. Indonesia is experiencing a COVID-19 pandemic and is having social distancing through is the large scale is social restoration (PSBB) policy. Meaning of coronavirus COVID-19. Coronavirus is virus from the subfamily or the coronavirus in the coronavirus family and the order nidovirus. This group the virus and cause disease in the minimal including the coronavirus was discovered in the virus discovered is the virus, the chicken, and two virus from the nest cavity of human with the common cold, with were later and human coronavirus. And human coronavirus also seen the other member of the coronavirus have been in it, including SARS. MSCO, the most of the virus are assistant with serious respiratory infection. Meaning of social distancing. Social distancing also physical distancing or informally keeping as distance is a series of the non-pharmaceutical intervention measure in the death to prevent the spread of the infection disease by maintaining physical distance between one person on another and reducing the number of people who do so. Close contact with high other, this action is carried out by maintaining and certain distance from other people. The speaking distance may vary from time to time and from country to country, and fading gathering together and like group. Next, the importance of social distancing during the current COVID-19 pandemic. It is very important to practice physical distancing. This is to protect yourself and those around you. Survive, you do not want your family infected with this virus. The coronavirus has caused several respiratory system disorder. So that some the time had to die from being infected with this virus. This cause is very high percentage of death in Indonesia due the virus. Therefore, and Indonesia people must persevere and fighting this virus. One of the time is by having the government at least to practice physical distancing. Two application of physical distancing can be done in several ways. So as postponing and again that is entertained with many people. Then not sick people for and I feel for home. An implement an online learning system for students. Nice implementing social distancing. One, study at home online for student and college student. Two, remember to always comply with health protocol. Three, not visiting people who are sick, but only by phone or video call. Four, postpone activities that cause crowd. Five, maintain a healthy body to stay healthy. Next, study mental. Types of result. This should be as a quantitative mental effort. Data collection in research must be done scientific and systematical. Researcher conduct survey by distributing questionnaire for and research instrument question become an effective and efficient forum for collecting that data that will be measured numerical. Conduct that survey to several practice in the community. Next, data collection type. Thank you. Data collection in the study used in the instrument mentor. Normally, draw is question mark and rise to several communities what need act or gain recruitment. The questionnaire consists of three questions consisting of one, in your opinion, is you social distancing important? Two, have you implement social distancing properly? Three, can keeping a distance be tested for in effectiveness in beating the coronavirus? Next, data analysis. Result and discussion. Question one, in your opinion, in social distancing important? Are the questionnaire and write yes, because social distancing is very important. But from the many yes as well, There are still some woes there now, and that has become evident that only if we practice at style ever the importance of social distancing. Two, question two. Have, have you implemented social distancing properly? The question is well, yes. Become ended during a pandemic. We must continue to apply the health protocol the same as the first question. The health still remain party who at war now, and it is become evidence that the community around us has not fully adhered to health protocol properly and correctly. Question 3. Can keeping its distance be tested for its effectiveness inhibiting the coronavirus? The question merits Edward, yes, because implementing social distancing can help the transmission of the COVID-19 virus. However, some party also I think that social distancing is not the only thing to determine the effectiveness of COVID-19 remission. Next, photo-based survey evidence. Next, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. We must continue to implement health protocol to escaping on this time. This paper aim to invite to the public the readers the impact of this COVID-19 virus. The relationship between this research and the hereditary exposition are thesis. The term social distancing is familiar in your since it is often mentioned. Nowadays, is social distancing really important? Yes, it is important for us to protect yourself amid the pandemic. Argument. According to CDC, social distancing is keeping a safe space between yourself and people who are not from your household. The government urges us to do social distancing in the midst of pandemic. In hit heartbreak the kind of the spread of the coronavirus. Many people complain and school and class and people and working and studying at home. Even fleeing at large number of people are also prohibited. These are the ways to prevent us from the exposure of the virus. Next, some might argue take as long as we wash our hand and wear mask. It is okay to go outside or even go and vacation. Or social distancing can help you us communicate coronavirus. CDC also say that social distancing have limit importance to calm the contact with contaminated surface and infected people outside the home. This can remind us that social distancing is not a trivial thing with people and a grow. Recommendation. Finally, we must always keep a distance whenever we go outside to do something organ. Always wear mask and keep a distance with people while short of attending an event that and for many people and must important stay at home. Suggestion, my advice to the surrounding community is the continue to carry out health protocol by keeping a distance, wearing mask, and not being crowd or doing activities that cause this. Always before of the COVID-19. virus that is spreading everywhere. Thank you.
Wah, dan kirim videonya lewat ini kan nggak dua lu, Arya Ikwe lu, Halu yang penting. Halu. Kosong orang lo.
Ning si kakak sing waduh.
Yo.